let's look how Romance and Violetta dances Tango silver level choreography with teaching count. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Let's look from another angle. And slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at same choreography, this time in slow motion. So we start with 2 tango walks, continued by progressive link, and from promenade we dance natural promenade turn, to rock turn, and we end with closed finish. Then we dance brush tap, turning to left, and continue with open reverse turn, lady outside, and with closed finish. Now let's look again from opposite direction. So we dance 2 tango walks, progressive link ended in promenade position, then natural promenade turn, to rock turn, with closed finish. Then we dance brush tap, turning slightly to left, and open reverse turn with lady outside on third step and with closed finish. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.